Hi everyone, I am very happy today to present to you 5 collections all about plain for upholstery. So we will concentrate on these 5 collections for Come and Go, and I hope that you will like it. The 5 collections that I will show you have all more than 30,000 of Martindale tests, so all suitable for heavy duty upholstery. For example, the first one, Nico, have 30,000 of Martindale. This is a very natural fabric. Indeed, you have inside 46% of cotton. So you are here with a mix of polyester and cotton. The cotton will add a lot of comfort to this fabric. It's very comfortable, very soft. Also, to have a more fluffy aspect and comfortable aspect, we have a flamed slub yarn. So this yarn will be churning on itself, so it will be more texture and more comfort. Also, you do have a special treatment on this fabric. There is a stone wash finishing. So these two aspects, the stone wash and the slub yarn, give this texture a very nice drape. So everything will be for upholstery, but you know, this nice drape can also be for curtain, blinds, fabric, etc. You do have 33 colors, so a very complete range with all the fresh, natural and elegant Come and Go colors. The second collection is called Rondo. Rondo is also a natural collection because we have a mix of polyester and cotton. So here you do have 20% of cotton. So you still have this softness, very comfortable fabric. Here you are with a booklet aspect. So you know, booklet is very trendy to do sofa. So you can really do a nice chair, small chair, sofa, and it will be trendy, especially with the large color that we have here, 30 color in total, with very fresh and amazing colors with a natural look. So here, Rondo, you have a very tight weaving. So this tight weaving offer a very high resistance. You have 45,000 of Martindale. So this fabric specifically is resistant. It's like a caress on the skin with this softness. I really think that you can do the perfect sofa with this one. So today, because we are focusing on all the plain for upholstery, I wanted to emphasize on 2 points. The first one is that all the collections that I am showing to you are washable at 30 degrees, except one collection, this one that I wanted to introduce to you, Sorbet. So you know, almost all the collections are easy to care, easy to use, washable, so this is very convenient. And the second point is that all the collection can be treated with a fire retardant treatment. So if you have a project, please you can use everything and we can pass the fire treatment. So let's concentrate on sorbet. So sorbet, of course, it means ice cream. So here we have a specific colors that are all very related to the ice cream. So it's fresh. It's something that it's almost tasty, you know. So we do have very beautiful colors that have a specificity. We wanted a frosted aspect on the more neutral and light color. So the frosted aspect is because we have only dyed the yarn one time. You know, we dyed the yarn only one time, so it's frosted. But for the deep color, like this dark blue, this nice ultraviolet, we do have a double dyed treatment. So we have doubled the dyeing, so after we have more deep colors, and it's really wonderful and beautiful. Also, this is a 20% cotton velvet. So this is a very comfortable and soft cotton velvet. It don't mark at all. And also, you can know that it's a matte effect. We don't have a shiny effect on this one, it's very matte. Okay, so I do think that sorbet is a good alternative if you are looking for velvet for upholstery. The fourth collection that I want to introduce is called Windsor, and specifically I want to show you the reference Charles. So this collection is a 100 polyester fabric with a very high martingale, because we have a martingale of 60,000. This collection is very nice because it's imitating the wool. So you have a wool touch when you touch it, it's very similar to the wool. And also when you look at it closer, you can see that you have a very nice tones into the coloring. So it's not like one color yarn, it's a yarn with a multitude of different colors. This one is exactly with gray, blue, and also of course green. So you do have specific coloring here. Apart from this wool aspect, the second very important thing is that this is an easy clean fabric. So you do have 3 books of this Easy Clean category, and for all the Easy Clean books you do have the little logo here with the hand washing the fabric. There is a special layer on the top of the fabric that don't allow for example a lipstick or coffee or something to enter into the fiber. So it will just stay on the surface and you can wash it with water very easily. So this is something so very convenient to use. I advise you to put it in your next house. The last collection of this special focus on the plain for upholstery is also a collection of the Easy Clean range. The name of the collection is La Seine. So here we are also in a 100% polyester quality, but we have a very specific yarn that is a chenille yarn. So this chenille yarn gives this fabric a very velvety touch. So it's like a velvet touch with a little bit of a flame yarn inside. So this will be with a deep and with a lot of density here. So this collection really have nice colors, and there is 33 different colors. You have 30,000 of martingale. So I cannot see another comfortable fabric with Easy Clean technique, with nice color. For me, this is really something that I can put in my home house. Thank you very much for your attention, and I was very happy to present to you these amazing 5 collections. I hope that you will do nice projects, and please subscribe to the channel, and also thumbs up if you had liked the video. Thank you!